Kitchen very much improved over last year. Tiles and backsplash. This light that I love. Let's make it a little darker. There you go. This light is so cool. This paint color is really pretty. And it sort of mimics how it is outside right now. So if we look at the view, you can't really see too much anymore. It's so gray. I should have done this on a different day. But imagine, if you will, World Trade Center, the bridges, Empire State Building, and the UN building, as well as the Chrysler building. Looking at the left side, I painted the crown molding on here to match better with the cabinets, and I think it actually worked. It's not too far off, unless the lighting is just really bad in here. It had been bright white and stood out like a sore thumb. So, pretty happy with how that turned out. My junk over there. Paint in the sink. Okay, still working a little bit, but overall things are coming together pretty well.